Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to free up space in Gmail Drive using Google One Storage. If you've ever received that dreaded notification that your storage is full, this tutorial will help you quickly identify and remove the files eating up your space. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type Google One Storage and hit Enter. This will bring up the search results for managing your Google account storage. From the results, click on the first official link from google.com. This is your direct gateway to viewing and managing all the storage across your Google services. Once you land on the Google One Storage page, you'll see a breakdown of how much storage you've used and which services are consuming it. This overview is incredibly useful because it shows you exactly where your storage is going, whether that's Gmail, Google Drive, or Google Photos. Understanding this distribution helps you target the biggest culprits first. Now, look for the Clean Up Space button and click on it. This feature is designed specifically to help you reclaim storage by identifying the largest files and attachments across your account. It's a smart tool that does the heavy lifting for you. Under the Gmail section, you'll see emails with large attachments listed. These are typically the main storage hogs in your Gmail account, things like videos, presentations, or high-resolution images that people have sent you over time. Review this list carefully and select the emails you no longer need by checking the boxes next to them. Be thorough here, as older emails with large attachments are often forgotten but still taking up valuable space. After you've selected the emails, click the Delete button. This action moves these emails to your trash, and they'll be permanently deleted after 30 days, freeing up that storage space. If you want to accelerate this process, you can manually empty your trash folder immediately. If you still need more space, you can repeat similar steps for Google Drive and Google Photos. The Cleanup Space feature will show you large files in Drive and high-resolution photos or videos in Photos that you might not need anymore. Going through each section systematically ensures you're maximizing your available storage without paying for additional space. Thanks for watching.